Guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable Klarna payments on Shopify. So the first thing that you're going to do is open up your Shopify, as you can see, and then you just need to sign in your account on Shopify store. And once you've signed in, as you can see on the left side of your screen, you have home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and discounts. And you have also here the sales channels, as you can see the online store and point of sale. But I want you to click on these settings at the bottom left corner. Now here, as you can see, we have here store details, plan, billing, users and permissions, payments, checkouts, customer accounts. So you just have to click on this payments option here. Now under the payments, as you can see, we have here the payment providers. We have supported payment methods here. We have manual payment methods and the payment customization. So all you need to click here is the add payment methods option here. So click this one and you will go through this process where you can now click the search box here and try to search for Klarna. And you'll find here the Klarna payments. You just need to click this option here and then you will find some options where you can actually enable these Klarna payments. So here you will find all the settings and then follow all the instructions on how you can activate all the payment methods right here. So that's how you basically enable Klarna payments on Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.